Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and appliances.
Today, we're diving into the world of outdoor cooking with a real game-changer, the Ninja Woodfire Electric Outdoor Oven.
Now, let's fire it up and see what it's all about. Alright, let's kick things off with the design and build of this bad boy.
The Ninja Woodfire Electric Outdoor Oven may look compact, but don't let its size fool you. With dimensions of 38 by 45 by 54 centimeters, it's got enough space to roast, smoke, bake, and even make pizzas with ease.
Plus, it's portable, making it perfect for outdoor feasts anytime, anywhere. Now, what sets this oven apart is its versatility. It's not just a pizza oven or a barbecue smoker, it's both, and then some.
With 8 cooking modes to choose from, including pizza, roasting, baking, smoking, and dehydrating, the possibilities are endless.
And get this, it even comes with a built-in smoker box for that authentic smoky flavor.
Speaking of cooking, let me tell you, this oven delivers. We put it to the test with a variety of dishes, from succulent meats to artisan-style pizzas, and it passed with flying colors. The temperature control is spot on, ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time.
Plus, cleanup is a breeze, with dishwasher-safe accessories and minimal maintenance required.
So, should you buy the Ninja Woodfire Electric Outdoor Oven?
Absolutely. If you're tired of struggling with traditional barbecue grills and pizza ovens, this is the solution you've been looking for. It's user-friendly, convenient, and delivers consistently delicious results. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, this oven will take your outdoor cooking game to the next level. Well, that's a wrap for today's review. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and appliances. Until next time, happy cooking!